Changing the battery on a Lexus RX300 3-button key remote. I went to the dealer. They told me it would be $15 to do it. And they also told me I couldn't get the battery anywhere else. Obviously they were lying. Okay. First thing you're going to need, here's the key. There's a little screw here that's going to need to come out. Then we're going to jam a little screwdriver in here, pop this open. These screwdrivers did not fit. So I have this tiny little one. I guess this is from an eyeglass repair kit. Here's the battery that I need for this particular remote. My car is an RX300 SUV, and it takes a CR1616. Okay, so let's just go ahead, and I had to figure how to do this myself because there was no video out there for me to learn from that I could find anyway. So I take this little screw out. It's very, very small. Try not to lose it. Okay, then we're gonna pry this with a little flat screwdriver. Pry this open, this hard part. Let's see if I can get this in there. Okay, there it is. And just pop it open. Okay. Then try to remember how everything was when you opened it. Okay. There's a plastic casing here that needs to come out. You could just pull that out. Okay. There's the battery. The hardest part I had, I did my other key also, was taking this battery out. Basically, there's a little thing right here that holds it in. So you have to hold that down or back while you pull this out. I hold it with one nail. Let's see, it's almost coming out. Oh, okay, popped out. Here's the old battery. Notice one side is raised, that side goes on the bottom. Okay, this one looks newer than the one I bought actually, but it's the old one. Okay, open this one, and pop this out, take out the battery. Okay, basically, there you go, there's a new one. This raised part goes inside. You can push it under the raised part first and then just push it in. Now to put this back in, see which way it goes. You can see this side's smaller and this is smaller, so you put that in. Somehow pop it back in. Okay. Pop this back on. Doesn't snap or anything, but it's in there. Put the little screw back in. Let's see. The screw is really, really tiny. And then screw it back in there. Once it's in there, nice and tight, make sure everything's lined up. Hold it kind of closed while you tighten the little screw. Keep tightening it till it's all the way in there. Do not strip the screw or you'll be in trouble because this is such a tiny screw. Okay, it won't go anymore. Alright, let's try it. There's a little light right here. When I push something, this light should go on. It tells me that it works. Okay. Ooh. Well, the light's not coming on, is it? Well, I'm going to have to go downstairs and see if it's working. Well, this light should light up. I don't know if there's a problem with my light. This is an old key. And I'm going to go downstairs and aim it at the car and see if it works. Okay. regardless, yours should light up. Okay, that's how you change the battery. And now you should have a brand new battery in there and a very good working key.